In 2020, the ill-fated year that saw the world come to a stop with every known activity of man suspended in mid-air, so to speak, school went into lockdown with other establishments and through school managements, teachers, students and parents into a tailspin that was to end in paralysis of a sort. Teachers and students had to make do with whatever resources that they had in hand to keep education alive. Behind the scene, teachers and students were hard at work. All of them were busy getting ready for the final examinations, the fruit of whose hard work can be seen today. Speak to a few toppers who shared with us their journey to this glorious day. Let's go and meet them.
I'm quite glad that I got this position, and it's all because of my teachers and my sister and my mother. Like, I'm quite glad that I got this position, and also there's a few people who have helped me through this period, like financially, emotionally, and socially. And one of them are my teachers. Most of them they are my teachers, like Miss Wantina, Miss Atula, Sir Pavan Gupta, and Sir Ramu Sharma, and also our principal. And also one more teacher who is my great motivator, Sir Kaushik Ray, and my brother Sachit Bhaiya, and my relatives Tinku Chachu and all. Like, I'm quite glad that because of them I have got this position. I'm quite glad that I got this position. My mom, she got ill on January, so I couldn't study very much this time. Otherwise I could have got more fifth or sixth position. But I used to study around 7 hours a day. One message for all my juniors who will be giving their boards this year is that don't lose hope. Like, you can do everything. Many challenges will come, but just focus on one thing and make that your target.
Actually, working hard does play a role in it, but at the same time, there are also students who have other difficulties, like they live in rural areas or they have a bad network, and that can also play a role in things. But at the end of the day, yes, working hard does play a big role in it. I think at the end of the day, it's important to just hope for the best, because no matter how bad it seems, it does work out in the end if you just keep on trying and not stopping, because stopping is the worst thing that you can do to yourself, actually. And I think it's just better to have people around you who are willing to support you and help you and who will not let you give up on yourself. That's just the best thing, really.
Don Bosco Media Network also got a chance to talk to Father Anthony Karkungo, the principal of St. Anthony School, who expresses gratitude to God and also appreciated the combined efforts of the students, teachers and parents for the best ever performance of the students of the school.
Well, today is a very special day, and today I'm very happy because of the results that our school have achieved. In the first place, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to God the Almighty for His guidance, His support, and His continuous blessings and graces that He has showered on our school. In the second place, I wish to congratulate our teachers for their utmost and tirelessly efforts they have put in. As we are all aware that last year and this year, we are still in the situation that has brought in a lot of changes that challenge our life, and in a particular way for our students. And I wish to thank our teachers and students and parents who took up this situation in a very positive way. We all know that we faced a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties and problems. But in spite of that, we were able to adjust, to adapt ourselves to new situation of new learning. And that new learning is nothing else but having online classes. And I just could not imagine how, when our students were having online classes and facing the examination, coming to the school, doing their offline exams, and today, from their efforts and the efforts that they have put in, have shown that they have taken the online classes seriously. Hearty congratulations to our students for the spectacular and wonderful achievement they have brought to the school. We are not surprised, instead we are amazed at what God has done to our school, to our teachers, students and parents. And I wish to thank the parents in a particular way for overloading and accepting extra works besides their work at home due to this pandemic, the online classes, following up their daughters, their sons. It wasn't an easier task. And yet, every one of us have really put the effort of not getting discouraged, but facing and taking this opportunity as something that out of this something good could happen. So once again, thank you dear students, and wishing you all the success in your future life. Thank you.